Hi and welcome to a quick overview of the Logitech K780 multi-device keyboard. This keyboard came as part of a work-from-home kit. I was previously using the K375 multi-device keyboard. That one had an issue while typing, which was getting in the way of work and my own use. So I took this out as I wanted to try it out and see how it would compare. The package clearly displays the product itself, as well as the model number and its multi-device capability as the main feature. Along the top you can see that this keyboard uses dual Bluetooth and Logitech's proprietary 2.4 GHz unifying technology, as well as a quick illustration of the contents of the box. The key product features are shown at the back in multiple languages, which includes being able to switch between multiple devices, quiet and comfortable typing, integrated stand, and multi-OS key markings. Inside the box you're at first greeted by the almost infinitely folding compliance and warranty information. A handy tab with an arrow allows you to easily lift the keyboard out. The inner bottom of the packaging has a quick start illustration showing how to connect using the two modes, as well as links to the supporting software. The protective wrapping is easily removed, and it won't be a surprise to see the unique shape of the keycaps, as that's front and center on the packaging. On the top row, the first three function keys are clearly set out in white against the others. This is used to instantly switch between the three connected devices. The dedicated function keys on the left have tapered lengths, peaking with the caps lock in the middle. There's a slight pestilence at the bottom that the keys are almost nearly the same size with the function key thrown in the mix. With only text markings and being so close together, it's sometimes hit or miss when you want to use the start key for key combinations that you might need to use. The reason the function key was placed on the wrong side is because of the micro keys used for the arrows to the right of the spacebar. This space-saving move means smaller keys, which are surprisingly not prone to mispresses. However, one thing lacking is the instant move keys like home and etc. The numpad has full-size keys, which is a requisite for software professionals that would need dedicated inputs, for example, numerical input or software like Blender. The bottom has a battery compartment with the battery seal to ensure that the included batteries don't discharge while in storage. There are little rubber runners to keep it from slipping while in use. This, coupled with the weight of the keyboard, will definitely ensure that this keyboard won't budge whilst in use. Inside the battery compartment are two AAA batteries and storage space for the unifying nano USB receiver. The receiver is USB-A with a small unifying symbol on one side and the Logi logo type on the back. The integrated device holder is great for anyone looking to either place their portable device in an upright position or looking to type into a text editor. Although in portrait mode, this means that the lower portion of the screen is partially obscured for smaller devices. This might be more suitable for a tablet, but that's not my use case in any circumstance. I much prefer the standalone device stand that my Logitech K375 keyboard comes with. To the right of the keyboard is a small LED which lights up when you first turn it on. This is typically green but will turn red to indicate when the battery is low. The placement to the right is a nice touch as you can simply turn it on and off without having to lift it up like other wireless keyboards. For regular use, this is quite a comfortable keyboard. The keys have a small travel distance and all buttons have a nice smooth motion when pressing it. The only issue might be when having to use it for extended periods of time and during rigorous working environments, where the relatively low travel and somewhat hard feedback can put some strain on the fingertips and subsequently on the hands as well. The lack of dedicated home and type keys are quite limiting as well, especially when you have to select long lines of text or other similar motions. The typing noise on this is very low. You can barely hear anything unless if you really hammer home on the keys. You can hear what it sounds like here. With the Logitech unifying technology, this works off of one receiver which is shared with my Logitech M720 Triathlon mouse. So great for saving on ports, and for other devices works with easy Bluetooth pairing. So there you have it. If you're looking for a relatively small form factor, almost fully featured keyboard for general use and for certain non-critical or timely office work, then this is a great keyboard to go for. If you've used this keyboard before, let me know your thoughts on it, and if they mirror mine or not, I would love to hear them. Also, please consider liking, sharing this video, and subscribing to my channel if you find it useful. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.